Hi, good morning. I'm Elanggovan, Thanggavilo, founder and CIO, Chief Admin Officer of HiiLSE Global Sri Lanka, HiiLSE Drone, Malaysia. We are grateful and with a very unique collaboration with Sri Ramakrishnan Engineering College from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India.
Hello, good morning. I'm David from
Yes.
Ramakrishnan Engineering College, Coimbatore, India. We are very happy for the collaboration with HiiLSE Drone for our academic and research purpose.
Yes,
Thank you.
the area, the Malaysians mainly and global clients from our territories will be gaining a few benefits for me to spell this out. Number one, we are having a super aeronautic engineering field IEEE's diploma degree, master's, PhDs graduates who are going to work different batch, different numbers with us in Malaysia, in India and other countries. And you who watching these clips and videos, please observe both our websites in description box here. Why? Because it can be a very unique academic requirement for you in the area of AI, MI, ML, cybersecurity, drone and drone latest technology up to the processes and control design process. So we can provide internship to be graduate employability in your country, in your company. It can be in Malaysia, South Asia, Saudi Arabia, in Africa, America, Europe, name it. We will provide the entire process to housemanship or to job employment process for them to support and serve your corporate. Next, we can provide courses, hybrid, through expertise combined, integrated with HiiLSE Drone and Sri Ramakrishnan Engineering College from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Various courses, please observe the description box for more info. And top of it, let's say you want to do a brand new design. The drone IP can be owned by you. We have the expertise, we have the parts, we have the best components in the world. Lightest, heavy duty drones for whichever industry for your application, for your own company and for your clients. We are ready. HiiLSE Drone, Malaysia, Elanggovan, Thanggavilo, Kuala Lumpur. Thank you very much.